Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here, and welcome, as I hit my mic on my shirt, welcome to unboxing of, I guess, my MLP, My Little Pony blind bags. You've probably seen these type of packets before, when they sell a whole set of stuff in one little box and sell it at a low price. Here's that. From Fairfield, which makes me wonder if some of these are fake or whatnot or whatever. I don't know. I'm talking on my. You know what? I get rambling and I struggle to open this up. Let's see. It says roughly $50 worth of items, 65 combined items and random stuff, so let's open it up. Because the box is a lie. And as we do that, go. And then we toss away the box because who cares about the box? And let's see what we got. We got 6 booster packs of the My Little Pony trading card game. Wait, is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I told you the box is a lie. The box says there's only 6 booster packs, not 7. But hey, more item, it means more goodies for us to unlock, right? And then we have, okay, there's the booster pack, the dog tag. Then we have the candy dispenser thing. Yeah, these are the Pac-Man looking things. Okay. The little stackables? Yeah, stackers. And these, I actually had one of these, and I like that since it's basically they have a glossy finish and all shiny. And who doesn't like shinies? Anyway, more of the same thing, and more of the same thing. Okay, let's get started with the dog tag. What dog tag we could get? I don't know, but why do I would have problem opening these packets? Oh, you know what? And there's a tear thing here. Okay, and we got. Apparently, it comes with cards. Okay, so there's a shiny. They're actually really shiny. Okay, this means there's another shiny sticker thing, but that is not what we wanted. So I'm guessing that we got Starlight Simmer. It's early in the morning. Sunset Simmer. Okie dokie. That's always nice. We put that to the side. We toss that away. We'll open these since it's right in front of me. Why do I never prepare myself when opening these? Is there an easy way? Oh, yes, there is, right there. Let's see who we get. And we get face reveal. We got a Fluttershy. I think I already have. Okay. And I think sort of came with a stand. Oh, right here. To put this Push this here. And then you put this on the side like so. And then there we go. Then we toss these away. Let's grab another one of these. And then now we know the secret how to open these packets. And now, reveal, we got Princess Celestia. Cool. They actually have quite a bit of sign to it. And I'm not going to put it on the stand for now, so let's put that. We just have to remove her from the plastic. Toss that away, toss that away. And the last one of these. And we got Rarity as our last final piece. This is old. Again, with the same type of shininess. And these can stand by themselves as Rarity's on the pole. And here we go. And then our next one we're gonna grab the candy dispenser, open it up. Then we got Fluttershy. And with a super like a Super Saiyan type hairstyle. Okie dokie. I don't even know how these things work. And I get cheap candy to come with it. And I'll mess with that later. So we said put that there, put the candy there, and then we got, how do you open these? Oh, there we go. So what do we get? And we got the squishy Meatloaf of Rarity. Oh, this is actually really squishy. Go, squish, squish, squish. Okay. Then we said put her back in the house. For now, toss that away. And now, this has becomes a booster pack opening of My Little Pony stuff. Woo! This is High Magic, I'm guessing? Look for the foil card inside. So I'm guessing foil cards are probably rare in these packs. I do not actually know. So let's find out what we got. As I struggle to open these cards. They made the card idiot proof. Okay. Is there a turtle? Wow, this is. What's with this packet? Okay. And why they invented the scissors. Let's just carefully do this because we do not want to cut the card. Okay, we just need a little bit, so we just do that. Anyway, and let's see what we got. We got the Rainbow Powered Rainbow Dash. We got Rainbow Powered Rarity, the Owl, Snips and Snails, Sugar Bell, Rarity, Waking Up Animals, and I had something with the library. Oh, propaganda. Okay, whatever. Angel Bunny, Cat Dog, and Utterly transformed. Okay. How am I supposed to look? Oh, this is from the dream sequence. Okay. And the smooth. Okay. So we did not get any shiny cards, but let's just keep on going then. Open it. Okay. I feel like these booster packs is a little bit tougher. You know, the plastic just feels different than other booster pack, or maybe I'm just an idiot. Who the hell knows? Anyway, what we got? We got Thought of Ages, Old Man. We got the Darkness Thing. Appetites a Power Pony, the Flitters, Sweetie Belle, Power Bracelet, Rarity. We got Zakora, we got the Apple Bloom, we got another scene from the Power Ponies, we got Tenderhoof, we got Filthy Verse with his magical dream powers in the Dream World. And we got the Holt Evildoer thing from the Power Pony thing. Okay. And then yes. You know what? I got the scissor and I'm not gonna just use it. Okay, there we go. We open it now. That one again. That one again. Again. Same thing. More theme. Apple Bloom. Rainbow Power Fluttershy. Ooh, this must be the spoil card. Shiny. Anyway, the spa people, and here's the turtle. Here's Daring Do, Shining Armor, and the same card. Okay. Let's see, can I just do it off camera? No. And as we open the next card, we got Berry Punt. We got Surly, Fancy Pants, that's the same thing, another Berry Punt, Scootaloo with Giant Wings. We got Rarity again, Princess Twilight, that card. Why are these last three upside down? Huh. That. Yeah, Filthy Ritz, and that. Okay. So you know what? I'm gonna just open all the cards. Instead, last few packs open. Let's do this. We got that. That. Fast food. That Kevin the Changeling. We got that. Rainbow Dash, Rarity, Owl, no, word. That, and we got T-Rex, cool. Dance Fever, cool. Tenderhoof, and now we got Weird Al. We got this. It's Apple Sack. And there's Red Heart, Pinkie Pie, Dog, Cloud Dasher, that guy, Kevin, Hotty Totty, Upside Down Cards, which probably wasn't me. The Skunk, the Evil Flower, the Mare Duel, again upside down, Sweetie Belle, that, Star Swirl Research, Apple Bloom, Weird Al, Fancy Pants, Night Glider, Una, Steven, and upside down again, Davenport, Mega Derpy, and last card is this. But I did not see any other foil except for that one. So, well, that was the unboxing of the My Little Pony, like a bargain box. Let me know down in the description what you thought of it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!